Hey friends, we are here with CKLA Skills 6 Lesson 2. I'm going to come right back to the screen, but I want to start it out a little differently than we normally do. At the end of this lesson, I believe there's going to be another set of questions, okay, after the book that you're going to read for today. Okay, so think back to yesterday in the book that you read, Kid, okay? And I want you to talk about that story. If you need to, you can go back to that lesson and read it again and try to answer the questions about that story. Okay, so I think I want to start each lesson with kind of a review of the day before. But I'm going to go all the way through the lesson today with the story, so you can pause on each page if you want to read it. There's also going to be a link that goes straight to the story. So I want to just tell you about that real quick. Okay? So here we go. We're going to go with our sounds. And then at the end, put your fist together to blend all those sounds together. Okay? Me first, then you. Egg. Leg. Now with me, egg, leg. Okay, reset. Listen first, then do it with me. Og, log. Hold the sounds together in your fist. Now with me, og, log. Next word. Clog. Now with me. Clog. I'm going to change that last sound. Listen first, then do it with me. Clot. Do it with me. Clot. Now we're going to use all of our fingers, okay? Listen, I'm just going to add an S to the end. Clots. Now with me. Clots. Alright, reset. Next one. Tree. Now with me. Tree. Alright, next one. Listen first. Leaves. Now with me. Leaves. Now, this is going to be the last one we do. I'm going to skip the last two because we are having trouble with that in our class. Okay, so listen first. Twig. Twig. Now with me. Twig. Twig. Alright, good try. I'm going to pause here. If you would like to try those last two at home and let me know how they go, I would appreciate that. A little bit of feedback. Okay, I'm going to pause here. We're going to review the sounds. And you have to have your child write the sound. Same thing here. Pause here. Review the sounds. They're going to write the sound. And same thing here. Resume when you're ready. Okay, so we have our complete alphabet here. Instead of singing the alphabet song, I would like for you to review in order the letter names. And then you don't have to review the entire alphabet out of order, but just review some here or there, a couple on each line out of order, so then we'll start making the recognition that, oh, if we don't go in order, I still need to know what it looks like, okay? And we're going to skip over. And here is the story I was talking about today. It's going to be Kit and Stan. So I'm going to pause here. Try to sound these words out together. The middle one is a sight word they should know. And, okay, the first word, finger under the first word, first sound. K, it, kit. Okay, now you understand why the warm-up was so important. Okay, so we're going to say each sound and then try to blend them together. If they're still having trouble, it's okay to repeat and sound them out as much as you need to. The middle one, it's a sight word, okay, and then the last word, stan. Okay, you see, and then resume when you're ready. Pause here, sound these out, and resume when you're ready. Pause here, and resume when you're ready. And here. And here. And here. And here's what I was telling you was the discussion questions. Now I'm going to put them up at the end of this lesson so you can pause and discuss them with your child. I want to remind you that there is going to be a video link that goes through this story and reads it for you, and so your child can follow along with somebody reading it with them, okay? And the last thing is, here are the workbook pages, and if they're not too tired, let's give this a try. The group 2 words, they're not sentences, they are just some words that they can try to sound out and get better at reading and blending sounds together, okay? You're doing a great job, and I'll see you next time.